Hey, are you ready to talk about another verb tense? Finally? Today we're going to be talking about the present progressive tense. Now, the present progressive tense is a really common verb tense. We're going to talk about its function or what it does or when to use it, its form, what it looks like, how to put verbs in the present progressive tense, and we're going to go through some examples along the way. So we'll start with its function. We use the present progressive tense to talk about actions that are happening right now. They are in progress, happening now. We also use the present progressive tense to talk about actions that are in progress for a period of time. So started, still going on, into the future. And sometimes to talk about actions that are planned or going to happen in the near future. Our big two are actions that are in progress, happening now. Get it? Present progressive, in progress. It's right there in the right there in the name. Or that are in progress again for a certain duration or period of time. So what does it look like to put a verb into the present progressive tense or to recognize a verb that's in the present progressive tense? You're going to look for two things. The present progressive tense has two parts: be plus ing. So in the present progressive, that's going to look like either am, is, or are, depending on your subject, plus the verb ing. So you need both parts. You need be conjugated for your subject, and you need an ing at the end of your verb. I know that sounds a little bit weird, so let's look at some examples. What is happening right now? Right this second? Right now? I am talking right now. As you listen, so we could also say you are listening. I am talking right now. This is the action that is in progress right now. Me talking. So I would use be, am, and I'm going to add that ing at the end of my verb. So am talking is the present progressive form. Let's look at another one. You are taking notes. Maybe. Here our verb is are taking. So we have be, am is are, plus ing, taking. In the third person singular, we're going to use is. So my cat is taking a nap. Is taking. Two parts to the present progressive tense. My husband is having a meeting. Here we have is having. We are studying verb tenses this month. So here I wanted to give an example of that second function where an action is in progress for a certain amount of time. So this whole month, we are studying verb tenses. That's what's going to be in progress. That's what's going to be happening in this present month. They are watching a movie right now. So again, we want to make sure we have both parts, am, is, are, plus an ing at the end of our verb. And we are going to use this to talk about actions that are happening right now in this exact moment or for an extended amount of time. Hopefully that all makes sense. Let's move into negatives. Negative sentences in the present progressive. So affirmative sentences are what is happening right now. What if we want to talk about things that are not happening right now? We're going to use be not, ing, are not happening now. Here are some examples of that pattern. I am not driving a car right now. That would be dangerous because I would be very distracted. So I am not driving. Be not ing. Am not driving. You are not filming a video right now. I'm guessing. If you were filming a video right now, hopefully you paused this one, but also maybe you should be paying attention. So you are not filming. I have be, and in the present tense, we say you are. So are. I added not right in the middle to make it negative, and then I have my verb with that ing ending, filming. He is not paying attention. Again, I have my third person singular subject. So my verb needs an S. Here, that looks like is not paying. That's my verb in the negative, in the present progressive. We are not discussing the past tense this semester. So again, that extended time or that period of time. And we've got be, not ing. Are not discussing. Here's one more. They are not making dinner for their family tonight. They are going to a restaurant. So are not making. And here's an example of something that's planned for the near future. There are other ways to talk about the future, but I didn't want to just skip over this in case you see it or read it somewhere or hear it. So you can use the present progressive tense to talk about the near future, and this is a good example of that. They are not making for their dinner. They're not making dinner for their family tonight. They are going to a restaurant. Okay. To make questions in the present progressive, you follow our be pattern. So switch your subject and the first part of your verb, just the first part. So be, am is are, subject, and then your ing. Or if you want to make an information question or an informative question, add that question word and then follow the same pattern. Am is are, subject, verbing. What are you doing? Here we have our question word, and then we have our pattern. So I've got be, my subject, and my ing. So I've got are you doing? What are you doing? This is a great informational question in the present progressive tense. Are you learning anything? Again, be, subject, ing. Are you learning? Where is he going? Here we have another information question instead of a yes or no question. And I'm starting with a question word. So where, then I have be, subject, ing. Where is he going? Here we have a yes or no. Are, that's my be verb. Are they, that's my subject. Hanging out. I went a little casual here, a little slang. But you can see that it's still the same pattern. Are they hanging out together? Be, subject, ing. Are we having fun yet? Are you enjoying yourself? Again, it's the same pattern. Be, subject, ing. Just make sure that your be verb matches your subject. I know that was kind of a lot and I went kind of quickly, so we're going to do a very, very short review just so you have everything kind of in one place. The present progressive is mainly used for actions in progress right now, at this moment, or that are happening for a period of time. This week, this month, this semester, this year, a period of time, and that action or that thing will be in progress throughout that whole time period. To make affirmative sentences, we need be plus ing. To make them negative, we're going to add not right in the middle. And to make questions, we're going to switch our subject and the first part of our verb. So we are studying verbs. There, our verb is are studying. As a negative, we are not talking about fractions. Are not talking. That's our negative pattern. And to make a simple yes or no question, just switch the subject and the first part of the verb. So we're going to start with be. Are you learning? I hope that was helpful and that all makes sense. As always, if you have any questions, please send me a message and let me know. I am here to help. See you online.